It is our pleasure today to present this skit where we all can try to learn different modes of material nature posed to us every day. Material nature consists of three modes: goodness, passion and ignorance. We all can see all of them here. And when the living entity comes in the contact with the nature, so he becomes conditioned by these modes. And Srila Prabhupada said that by understanding this knowledge, various great sages have attained perfection when he understands that these modes of nature are not for us. We should not bound by them. Let us see what all different modes of nature are and how do they overpower a soul. So, a soul came and a soul realizes what he is doing, why he is here. The soul is trying to understand himself. That what I am doing here, what's my purpose? I don't know, I'm lost. And then suddenly all the modes of nature come into picture to overpower the soul. And they try to capture the soul. And now, scene 2, the soul is falling down and trying to get from that sleep, and the mode of goodness comes into picture and tries to capture the soul in his own mode.
Hello. I am Pranipada. I am the mode of goodness. Lord Krishna talks about me in the Bhagavad Gita. Under my influence, soul becomes conditioned by sense of happiness and knowledge. You can become a poet, you can become a philosopher, teacher, even a philosopher. Your living habits will be clean and simple. Come on, soul, with me. We'll have a morning walk. Look at these trees, these birds, beautiful nature. Isn't it good? So now do some morning exercise. That will fit your body and you will live long. So follow me.
And you see how the mode of goodness is trying to teach a knowledge, the peaceful nature, the happiness to soul. And you see the soul is looking very happy. He is feeling joyful.
Sit down, my dear soul. Do this exercise with me. Now take a bath which will clean your body externally. Now you are clean. Let's offer our obeisances to the God.
And you see how the mode of goodness is teaching a soul how to be a good person in life, how to be happy, how to rest, like be in peace every time. But wait, will it go on for long?
Now let's do
see.
some charity. Offer me money. No, that one. Offer a little bit more. Yeah, you can do it. Offer it to God. Good job. Ashtanga Yoga, which will help you to focus your mind and your mind will be sharp. Sit down. Follow me. Do some meditation. So see, the soul is following me. It is now under my influence.
But that is what I'm saying. See how long it's gonna go, because it's 10 a.m. now.
Here, what you are meditating wrong. See, you do not have to just see the nature, you have to exploit it. You have to enjoy the nature. I can fulfill your all material desires, but for that, you have to work 24/7, 24/7. Not 11/7, we are not going for shopping. 24/7, 24/7. No. It's 24/7, you have to work. And we will work hard and we will always think about the fruits, because we have to enjoy the fruits of our karma. Alright, you can gain anything in your life. Each second of your life has to be planned. We are not interested in wasting our time, right? It's time now. Let's go to the office. Get. We repent. Hurry. Take back this. Okay. You are good? Start your bike. जोश होना चाहिए. We do not have to follow any traffic rules. We are not interested in wasting any seconds of our life. Okay? His mistake. Never accept your mistake. Okay, now accept your mistake. Come. Let's go to the office. Okay, we have reached park. Okay, very good. We have a lot of things to do. Okay? These are the things you have to achieve today. And this is tomorrow. Do more work. Let me order some chola bhatura for you, okay? One more meeting, some investment, okay? One more. Where are you going? Go. See, lots of mistake. Go. Scold them. They are doing lots of mistake.
What?
They don't want to succeed in your life.
This is
He's the man.
end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, end
His
of the year.
time is celebrating his birthday
Your work is
today.
not done. What are you doing?
See,
What? Just stand up. We have to meet our
Deadline.
deadline.
right on. This is the way to live your life. Definitely you will get a great fruit, mango. Okay? Let's go back to the... You want to start it again? No. Okay. Now, finally home, park, and have some rest. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
You see now how passion has overpowered the soul and make him so unsteady, and the soul is not understanding what he is doing the whole day. And then when it's almost 6 p.m. in the night, the mode of ignorance
woke me
came.
up. अच्छा खासा सो रहा था. You are under my control, soul. Whatever you are mine. Okay? Just poke your nose everywhere. Okay? Everything it's my life. One life. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? Let's enjoy. Okay? Netflix. You like Netflix? See the monsters.
You see how the mode of ignorance is ruining a soul.
Put some gila party. Come. Why everything dry? Have some gila, okay? Enjoy. It's just one life. Who knows what will happen to next life? Today is in our hand. Okay? अभी तो party शुरू हुई है. It's my life. Okay? Have some food. It is just 1 month old. Okay? Just 1 month old. It's kawa biryani. Just have some kawa biryani. Just 1 month old. You are in my control, okay? Just enjoy. This is the real life. This is the real enjoyment. Nothing else. Okay? Keep changing the channel. Sit on the couch. Enjoy the popcorns. Okay? Poke your nose into everything. Just enjoy. This is the life.
And you see now how the soul is too tired. Soul is not understanding what is going on with him.
You're tired?
Hare Krishna. I see you are a little bit confused today, Prabhu. What happened?
Not even today. Every day is I'm thinking something, but I'm doing something. As soon as I woke up, I'm very good. I'm feeling so nice. I'm doing chanting, I'm praying, and I'm taking bath. I'm doing so many things, good things. I'm feeling so nice. As soon as the clock ticks to 10 o'clock, I don't know what is happening. Somebody is pulling me, pulling out of something, and they are pushing me. And I have to work and after that time passes, and as soon as it reaches 6 o'clock, I don't even know. I'm not doing what I don't want to do, but still I'm going to pub. I'm taking alcohol.
Hari.
I'm eating meat.
No.
I don't know. What should I do? I want to come out of this thing, but I don't know how to come out of these things.
Prabhu, this is all the material modes of nature. Sattvam rajas tama iti guna prakriti sambhava nibadnanti mahabaho dehe dehinam avyam. The material nature consists of 3 modes: the goodness, the passion,
वो फिर आ रहा है.
and ignorance.
ये कौन है? वो फिर आ रहा है.
And when a living entity comes into the material nature, he gets influenced and conditioned by these 3 modes. But you are the eternal living entity, Prabhu.
वो फिर आ रहा है.
You are the living entity. You are beyond these modes. You do not need to be influenced by them. You are separate from these modes. Do not listen to them. Prabhu. This book is born out of confusion.
No.
It started with a confusion. But it ends. But it ends with clarity. But it ends with clarity. It ends with clarity. So you do not have to be conditioned by the three modes of material nature. The Lord says, when a living being takes to devotional service, he goes beyond the three modes. So, my friends, I humbly request you to take to devotional service. That way you can go beyond the three modes. Hare Krishna, please chant and be happy. Hare Krishna.